Algerian Couscous. A main dish from Algeria. Serves 4. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Saute onion in vegetable stock over low heat until translucent. Step 2. Add all spices and cook for a few more minutes, stirring as needed. Step 3. Add tomato paste, stir and simmer 2 minutes. Step 4. Cut the vegetables in large chunks and add all, not the beans, and a dash of cinnamon. Add water to cover. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer, covered, for an hour or so. This can cook slowly for 2 to 3 hours. Add the drained garbanzos about 5 minutes before you take the veggies off the heat. Step 6. Put couscous in a bowl. Pour boiling water over couscous and wait about 5 minutes. Fluff with fork. Ratio of about 1.5:1 of water to couscous. For added flavor, add some of the liquid from the veggie stew over the couscous in place of some of the water. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.